Hi guys, we have here the Wahl Senior Cordless Lithium Battery Limited Edition. This is brand new, just came on the market from the Wahl company. It's been in the Europe, UK for a while, but now it's finally hitting the North American markets, Canada, US, and Mexico. So we do have them available. If you're looking to purchase them, please visit the link in the description below. Give you guys a quick look at the box, a quick sound bite, so you can see the clippers for yourself. Cordless Senior. Comes with 6 cutting guides. Apparently in the UK it comes with premium cutting guides, but over here, US, Canada, we're getting like the regular. These are not premium with the metal clips on it, no. So this is what you'll get. And the comb, up to 70 minutes, lithium ion battery. So let's go ahead and open this baby up. This is the model number, let's see here, model number, I can't even see, 8504. So this is the 8504. Let's go ahead and open this up. Comes off like a sleeve like this. So if you've purchased the Wahl Senior Cordless before, that's what it looks like. So that as well, as you can see there. So let's open this up. And there you have it, the Wahl Senior Cordless. Comes like that, pre-packed. We'll turn it on. Let's see. I think that they already come charged, but you could charge it as well, or just follow the instructions. Look at the instructions in here. Remove the plastic cover here. Remove this plastic cover. Open that up. And there you have it, guys, the Wahl Senior Cordless. As you can see, comes with that protective so the blade doesn't break during transportation. You can see where you have to plug it in to charge with a lever. So pretty much like the Senior, great quality, but now cordless. Feels good. Feels sturdy as well. Show you what else it comes with. So obviously you have the charger. You have the charger right here. So it can be used when the cord's on or off. I think maybe in the future it might come with a kind of a dock. I don't know if you like the Andis TI line of cordless. We will be doing a review on that. So stay tuned. That's also a new one, but that one comes with a dock. Here it just comes with a standard cable you plug in. But I think a dock will be appreciated. You know, something if you're especially a barbershop or a stylist, you can just kind of sit it on easily, quickly, take it on and off. So here we have a few of the cutting guides. Probably should be some at the bottom because it says 6. There's only 2 here. And we have the comb as well. Let's go ahead and remove this. And there you have it. We got the other remaining 4, the oil, the cleaning brush, and you have the, what else we got here? Operating instructions, lithium 5-star cordless, 2 hours, about 2 hours of charge. Let's see what else. That's it. That's it in a box. So let's go ahead and turn this on. Give you guys a sound bite. Just remove this protective case on here. Give you guys a quick look at the blade. As you can see, Wahl Senior Cordless. So let's go ahead and turn this on. Yep, it does come charged. That's the sound bite. Pretty close to loud. It's loud, but not too loud. I mean, it's just pretty much. It's not silent, no question about it. But nonetheless, still great quality. I like the feeling, sturdy. The power feels like it's there, no doubt, no question about it. Very high quality. We do have the Wahl Senior. We could do a comparison. Maybe we'll do it in a future video. Just give you a different sound. If there's any difference in the sound and the regular corded sound Wahl Senior cord. But pretty much the same thing. So for you Wahl cutters out there who appreciate the Wahl clippers. We do. It's a great quality, no question. 5 out of 5 stars. Wahl did a great job with this. Well, the rest will be up to the lithium battery, how long it lasts. The price point is a bit high, but I guess that's what you get with a high quality battery. And right now, there's limited supply, so it's hard to get, and everyone's looking for it. So the initial cost will be high. Is it better than a magic clip? More than likely, as you can see here. But there's those who already use the magic clip that are looking to upgrade. I highly recommend it once you get a chance. For the price, it is a bit high, but nonetheless, you get what you pay for in this clipper. Let me turn that on one more time. And that's pretty much it for the Wahl Senior Cordless. So just wanted you guys a quick heads up at the product. We do have it available. Please visit the link in the description below. Please subscribe to our channel, guys. Thanks for watching and have a great day.